Higher education is in a state of crisis. With college enrollment on a decade-long decline and AI increasing the gap between education and industry, young people know that a college degree isn't what it used to be. We're at risk of losing our most promising pathway to the American dream because when we stop valuing higher education, we stop valuing curiosity, we discourage ambition, and we give up on our nation's untapped potential. I'm Michael Ellison, CEO and co-founder of CodePath. Since 2017, we've grown 50 to 100% year over year to become the largest educator of college computer science students in the country. Student-led word of mouth fueled our fast growth, and impressive outcomes have created deep relationships with local schools and governments. We are now using AI-powered courses to transform employment and increase student exposure to AI across university systems. Public institutions are turning to CodePath because they believe we will change their job outcomes, improving their relationship with local employers, and restoring community trust in their institutions. Within 5 years, CodePath will complete a repeatable playbook for doubling technical job outcomes in large community colleges and state schools, driving $10 billion of economic impact directly to low-income communities each year. Let's once again restore trust in our public institutions by increasing the ROI of a college degree. Thank you.